Wait, before you scroll, I bet you have seen this heartbreaking viral video. So here's my take on this video. I want you to like, comment, and share so that others can learn from this video before they make that bold step in buying real estate. Now watch the video.
Y'all don't understand. I am right here, right here. Arrived here thinking I'm gonna get a house, a 2-story building, and this is what I've got. This is what I've got. What am I gonna do? After several 40 some years in America, and I've been saving all kinds of money just from building a house and sending it to Obinna. This crooked brother of mine, Obinna. This is what I have. Y'all see that? We got the house sinking house. That's what this guy's got me. Y'all don't understand. You sit down and you work 3 jobs in America. Just work 3 jobs. You gotta take care of your brother. You gotta take care of your brothers and sisters. You gotta take care of your nuclear family. Then you have to take care of your parents. Have to take care of all. And above all, then you save. You go into take all kinds of loans. And then this is what I've got. I trusted my brother.
Can you feel the pain of the woman? But before I talk about the lessons to be learned from here, here's the second video.
You can't go abroad and so hit me. How much I don't give you? How much I don't give you? I can't do what they do yourself. But I can do my house. What my house? What does it tomorrow? You just like
Guy, calm down,
Okay,
calm down,
I
calm
start
down,
my
calm
head.
down.
I saw what? If you see me, go.
What is that? What is that? No, but what is that?
See this man, oh. Now my elder brother, yes. I give this guy money. I did student. I give him money. Say to be that for me. Every time they send them money, if I never send them money, I send them close to 70 million naira. I just tell you because I'm the best. Guy, be young man.
Where the house gone?
Make I show you picture when they send me. They show me picture. See what thing they show me. They show me picture.
You do this thing now.
You don't bring this out for me. I thought they sleep for all
This guy is wicked.
Which
He's a wicked guy now. Why you go?
Guy, you have for me. I don't want your.
Kata, just calm down, I beg. Calm down.
See, I go to
But this
government.
is not- but
I
this
go to
is-
government. I go to police. So, what is the
Guy, this is not good now.
See,
No good there, no good there. Huh? Why go do this kind of thing?
I want
Calm down, Kata, calm down, calm down.
So after watching these videos, a lot of concerns were raised, a lot of um, tricky questions were asked, and that is logical because I have a lot of prospects, clients, fans, mentees, and I have people in my community that look up to me for me to clear their doubts and such objections. And because these um, concerns are very sensitive and these questions are very tricky, one needs to be very careful. Now, this is my take on these 2 videos. I'm not telling you not to trust your relative or your brother. It is not in my place to tell you who to trust when buying real estate. Now, I am a lawyer first before I became a realtor. So I will never, ever stop talking about due diligence. I stress it a lot. I'm a realtor who needs to make money, but as a lawyer, I know the importance of a due diligence. And I know very, very well that you will spend less doing a due diligence than the amount you will lose when you don't do the needful. Instead of sending money to a relative or a brother or a sister or a sibling, why don't you get a lawyer? Do your due diligence on the property you want to buy. Do your due diligence on the real estate agent that you want to go through. Do your due diligence. The lawyer will also help you do your due diligence on the title on the land and several other things they can do for you. So instead of sending money to a sibling or sending money to a relative, why don't you, after doing your diligence, why don't you buy from the company? That way you can hold them responsible. If you're sending money to a relative and they don't end up buying, you know where that is going to end. That is probably going to end in one family meeting with a lot of abeg, abeg, abeg. But if you're buying from a company, you can sue them if the deal goes south. Do your due diligence and buy from a company that you can hold responsible after doing your due diligence. I can't stress that enough. Now, I know this for sure because after over 9 years in the real estate industry with and having dealt with hundreds and hundreds of diasporans. In fact, about 40% of my clients are diasporans, and I get them via the YouTube platforms and other platforms, and via referrals and the rest of them. So I know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about a seamless process. And a lot of my clients are free to come to the comment section to confirm this. The processes are seamless because I usually tell them, do your due diligence. Don't say because you are dealing with Mr. Property the proper thing. Do your due diligence before coming to meet Mr. Property the proper thing. Having done your due diligence, you are satisfied with what you are seeing on ground, then make a purchase. You will spend less when you will spend less after doing your due diligence. And this will also help you in buying from a wrong real estate company, a wrong real estate agent, buying a land without title, buying a land in bad location, and it will save you a lot of heartbreak from telling a relative to buy from you. You can do like a virtual inspection, they can do a live video for you, or WhatsApp video. This is 2023, but sending money to them to buy land for you, it is not in my place to tell you whether to trust them or not, because only you know how hard you worked. Only you know how hard you've worked. Only you know how hard you've gathered that money together before sending it to Nigeria. Now, it will cost you less to do your due diligence on the company you are buying from, on the real estate agent, and also your lawyer will help with several other things, review of documentation, the entire transaction. They can guide you appropriately. So my take is, do the right thing, do your due diligence, and buy from a company because they can be held responsible. I'm so sorry. I really feel bad about those affected in this video, and I really hope that other people don't make the same mistake. And that is why we do this kind of videos and content, to educate people. So I remain Mr. Property the Property. It is a quick video, and you can tell by the setting of the video. So I just decided that, you know what, let me do a quick real estate Sunday school of thoughts. It's like I usually call it, so I can educate people. Now these videos, so after watching the first video, someone sent the second video to me, and that's to tell you that this kind of event is becoming a bit more common, and things like this are happening back to back. So people like us, we your real estate guide, it is our job to do content on it, to advise people, to give out valuable lessons so that you don't fall victim. Yes, love your family, trust your family, but there's always a fine line. You can hold the company responsible for an asset you are buying if they don't get to deliver. But the question is, can you hold your family or a brother or a sister responsible if they cannot account for the money you send to them? I really cannot answer the question. So I remain Mr. Property the Property. I'll see you in the next video. Pumba.